Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, Aquarius Placement. So, this is your June love reading. Okay, so yes, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, po, kung may tanong po no, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po kay Perception of Light. Okay? And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, okay? So, ito po yung kay Perception na. Ito yung kanyang FB page. So, ito naman yung kay Kuya Dingsi. So, si Kuya Dingsi, healer. Ang kay healer siya, physical, spiritual, yung may mga sanib at yung may mga kulam. Yan. Okay? So, and yes, so pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, and sa ating granter necklace, si granter po is made to order. Okay, so kailangan nyo muna magsabi. Okay, before, oo, hindi yung, Miss Pia, order ako ng ano, tapos gusto agad-agad. Hindi po ganun ha, okay? So, message lang kayo, no? Sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang details, no? Okay, so, okay, let's start agad-agad. Okay, Aquarius placements. So, who is the person on your mind, Aqua? Lagay natin dyan. Okay. The person on Aquarius mind. Anong meron sa kanya, Aqua? Lately, lagi akong antok na antok. Hindi ko alam. Lagi akong pagod. Okay. Aqua. Anong meron sa person mo? The sun. Can be Leo. Or someone na pwedeng pinanganak sa by summertime, diba? Summer month. Okay. The sun. What's with the sun? The world. Okay. So, pwedeng malayo sa'yo, tong taong to. Yeah. Ito po specific ha. Some of them, may anak sa malayo. May anak sa abroad. Parang ganun. Specific po yun, hindi yun para sa lahat ha. Okay? Pero ang nakuha ko sa kanya talaga is someone na pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Pwedeng Leo, pinanganak ng summer, mga ganyan. Okay? Itong taong to mahilig to sa travel. Actually. Mahilig po siya sa travel. Yeah. Okay. So, yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa kanya. Anong situation ninyo, ako? Anong sitwasyon ninyo, mga Aquarius? The Eight of Wands. Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng kausap mo tong taong to. The Four of Cups, reversed. So, there's communication here. Merong sasabi, no, ng totoong emosyon. Pero through communication, or pwedeng chat, parang ganyan. Through messages. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Wands, Universe, and the Lovers. So, some of you, may situation dito na pwedeng LDR kayo nitong taong to, no? And, the relationship is not sabihin nating serious. No, hindi ko masabing seryoso po eh. Okay? Nandiyan rin yung pwedeng open kayo sexually sa isa't isa. Mga ganyan. Okay? Something like na nagbibigay lang din ng happiness or enjoyment sa isa't isa. Excuse me. So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon? Anong emosyon ng taong to? Some of you, anyway, ang dami kasing energy. Let's see. Ano bang emosyon niya? Kasi sa the world, unang-una pa lang, this is ending eh. May nangyaring pagbabago, mga ganyan. So, I think some of you, ine-expect mo rin na may magbabago sa kanya. Okay? So, yun din, yung specific. Okay. Emotion niya sa'yo. The Five of Swords. Conflicted maybe, or always giving you mixed signals. Yeah. Why? Why the Five of Swords? The Two of Pentacles. Can't decide. Can't focus. Yeah. Some of them talagang they're still on search. On search. Oo. Ng someone. So that is why may chance talaga na iba sa kanila pwedeng hindi lang ikaw ang kausap nito, lalo na kung online lang nga kayo, no? So some of them talagang humahanap ng something or someone para makapagbigay maybe ng happiness sa sarili. Okay? Some of them kasi they're too communicative, no? Like gusto nila mayroon palaging kausap. Okay, laging meron ka flirt. This is flirt. This is flirt po, ha? Okay, sa sitwasyon, flirt lang. Kaya sabi ko kanina, hindi ito seryoso. Okay? So, yeah, emotion niya, they're giving you mixed signals. Yeah, mixed signals lang ang binabato nito sa'yo. So, maybe, nandyan yung nako-confuse ka sa taong to. Yeah, still maybe looking for something na pwedeng magbibigay sa'yo ng assurance or clarity. Okay? So, ano bang next action niya towards you? Ako. Next action. So, we have here Leo, fire sign, water, air, and earth. Lahat naman actually. Okay. So, next action ng person ng person na to, excuse me. Okay. Okay, Six of Swords in reverse. Why the Six of Swords in reverse? Wala akong nakikita ritong paglayo, pag-alis. Why the Six of Swords in reverse? The Ten of Pentacles. And the Seven of Cups. Ooh. Okay. They want, like, playtime, play lang, games. No? So, next action niya, pagdating sa commitments, kung ikaw ay nag-expect ng commitments from them, wala akong nakikita ng ganon. Okay? May chance na minsan, aalis to nang walang sabi-sabi, biglang mawawalang parang bula. Okay? Pero babalik na parang walang nangyaring kung ano. Like that. Yes. Okay? Because their option is open nga. Okay? Sabi ko nga, hindi lang ikaw ang pwedeng nakakausap nito eh. Marami, actually. So, anong outcome nyo? Anong outcome? The Five of Wands. Palagi lang sigurong away to, drama. Okay, why? Why the Five of Wands? And the Four of Swords. Ang dami kasing isipin, ang daming tanong. Yeah. That's why. The King of Cups in reverse. So, someone, or maybe this person is not available sa'yo emotionally. They're emotionally immature, some of them. Okay, pwedeng Pisces. Yeah, see, we have a pair here. Queen of Cups, King of Cups in reverse. Okay, so some of you pwedeng ma-attach agad dito sa taong to emotionally. Okay, so mas maganda na huwag. Okay, huwag. Oo. Okay, so sa dami-dami ng pwedeng problem na kaharapin nitong connection nyo na to, darating din sa separation. Darating din sa pause. Darating rin sa Sabihin natin cool off, rest, break up. Okay, no contact. Okay, kasi itong taong to naghahanap lang to ng kasiyahan niya. Okay, hindi pa siya naghahanap ng serious relationship. Maybe. Yeah. Not maybe. Hindi talaga. Okay? So, yes. So, tingnan natin. So, wag mong hayaan yung sarili mo matouch agad emotionally. Okay? Kung play lang yung gusto niya, play lang din. Game. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Aqua. Aries through Pisces for Aquarius placements. Okay. Aries, they like you. You're their wish fulfillment. Taurus, they want to connect with you. Yeah. Maybe they feel strong connection. Gemini, okay, they're confused. A lot of disappointments maybe. A lot of overthinking. A lot of arguments. Okay. Cancer, they're afraid. Some of them, they're too sad. Okay? Some of them, hindi na nakakatulog. Isip ng isip to. I don't know kung anong iniisip niyan. Okay? So, maybe marami siyang tanong. Marami siyang gustong malaman. Bigyang linaw. Mga ganyan. So, maybe vice versa. Because this is air. So, maybe ikaw yung ganito ang nararamdaman sa Cancer yan na to. Okay. They're always thinking of you. Maybe vice versa. Leo. Okay. So, they're being happy. Yes. Being positive. Always wanting na makita ka. Masaya siya actually. Virgo. Afraid ito, no, na magmadali. Takot silang mag-failed. Maybe takot silang gumawa ng risk. Takot magkamali. Okay? Libra, may pagdistansya dito. May paghihintay rin with this Libra. Okay? Confused. Scorpio, can't move on. And still, maybe hindi nila talaga pinipiling mag-move on from you. Yeah. Always, balik ng balik sa'yo. Sagittarius, they're dropping you. Okay? They want maybe to drop things. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Capricorn, they're avoiding you. Or maybe you have to avoid this Capricorn. Aquarius, they want stability. They want long-term relationship with you. They want victory. Okay? Next is Pisces. Okay. They want to communicate. They want to clear things out. They want communication, like good communication. Okay? Some of them, they're manifesting you. Okay? Some of you may chance na magkaroon ng new person and pwedeng Pisces. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you, Aqua. Again, thank you. Goodbye.